Obi is called chest. Obi is called chest. Obi is called chest. That's your obi. Chest is your obi. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to our channel. Welcome back to our channel. My name is Queen and I'm popularly known as Igbo with Queen TV, and I'm your Igbo teacher. If today is your first time watching me in this channel, welcome and God bless you. And if you're my returning viewers, keep watching and God also bless you. In today's video, we are going to be learning the parts of our body, the names of the parts of our body in Igbo language. So guys, stay tuned and we will be right back. Welcome back. In today's video, we are going to be learning the parts of our body in Igbo. What is the names of the parts of our body? The names of the parts of our body. We are going to be learning it in this video. So guys, let's start. Head. Isi. Head. Isi. This is my head. My head. Isi. Your head is isi. Hair. Ntutu, the hair on your head. I don't know if I can touch mine. This hair, the hair on your head is called ntutu. The hair on your head is called ntutu, your hair. You see, as you can see, I'm touching my hair. You understand what I mean? Your hair is called ntutu. Ntutu isi. Head. Listen again. Head is isi. Head. Your head is isi. Hair is ntutu. Hair. Hair is ntutu. Ntutu isi. Ntutu isi. Eye. Anya. Eye. Anya. Your eyes is Anya. Nose. Imi. Nose. Imi is nose. Imi is nose. Mouth. Onu. Mouth. Onu. You can say it with me. Mouth. Onu. 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 Your tongue is ire. You can say it with me. Ire. Tongue is ire. Ire. Teeth. Eze. This is my teeth. This is my teeth is eze. You can say it with me. Eze. Eze. Eze is teeth. Eze is teeth. Ears. Nti. Nti. Ears is nti. Ears is nti. 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 Ihu. Face is ihu. Face is ihu. My face is ihu. Face is ihu. Face is ihu. Aka. Hand. Aka. Hand. Aka. Aka is hand. Aka is hand. My fingers. My fingers. Mkpisi aka. Fingers. Mkpisi aka. Mkpisi aka. Say it again. Mkpisi aka. Say it with me. Mkpisi aka. Mkpisi aka. Nails. This is your nails. nails is mbo. Mbo. Mbo is nails. Mbo is nails. Mbo is nails. Mbo is nails. Elbow. Elbow. Ichere aka. Ichere aka. Elbow is ichere aka. Elbow. Ichere aka. Say it again. Ichere aka. Ichere aka. Ichere aka. That's your elbow. Ichere aka. Back. Back is azụ. Back. Azụ. Back. Azụ. Back. Azụ. Stomach. Afọ. Stomach. Afọ. Stomach. Afọ. Stomach. Afọ. Chest. Obi. Chest. Obi. Chest. Obi. Chest. Obi. Breast is called ara. Breast is called ara. Breast is called ara. Ukwu is leg. Leg, my leg. Ukwu. Leg. Ukwu. Leg. Ukwu. Leg. Ukwu. Laps is called apata ukwu. Laps is called apata ukwu. Apata ukwu. Apata ukwu. That is laps. Is called apata ukwu. Toes is called mkpisi ukwu. That is your toes. Is called mkpisi ukwu. Your toes is called mkpisi ukwu. Eyebrows is called Anya. Anya. That's your eyebrows. Anya. Your eyebrows is called Anya. Your eyebrows is called Anya. Eyelashes. Eyelash is called mbubu Anya. Mbubu Anya. That is your eyelash. Here, your eyelashes is called mbubu Anya. Mbubu Anya. Your eyelashes is called mbubu Anya. Your eyeballs is called mkpuru Anya. Mkpuru Anya. That's your eyeballs. Mkpuru Anya. Knees is called ikpere ukwu. Ikpere ukwu. Knees. Ikpere ukwu. Knees. You understand? Like someone tell you kneel down. There's knees is ikpere ukwu. Knees is ikpere ukwu. Waist. Waist. Ukwu. Your waist. Ukwu. That is your waist. Your waist is ukwu. As Flavor sing, ukwu sarambara na adi mumma baby mo. Shake wow. How do they sing it? Ukwu sarambara na adi mumma no bi mo. Shake wow. That's your ukwu is waist. Your waist. That's your waist is ukwu. It's called ukwu. That's your waist. So guys, we are going to stop this video here. If you like and enjoy this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If today is your first time watching me in this channel, please do not forget to subscribe, share with your family, share with your friends. Turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first to see it. See you guys in my next video. Bye.